For every experiment you do with twin modules, you need power modules, the gray one, and we will explore USB power. As you can see here, it has a green light LED on top of it, which is connected to the switch, and you can close the switch and then you don't have the green light, which means there is no energy output. So as you can see, we don't see any color on LED module. If I turn it on though, you can see it switched on. So the USB power, it connects to the power bank with a USB cable as shown, and it transmits the power to your circuit, and using the switch you can switch the power on or off. So another feature of USB power module is it has two outputs, so both sides of the USB power gives energy, so you can build different circuits in different parts. So as you can see, we have LED turned on and we have bar graphs here, so it gives energy to both direction, which is unique to only USB power module, because other ones, they need to get the power from the module that comes before it and then transmit the energy and the signal to the one that comes afterwards. And you can connect twin modules in series and make them work. So USB power is the one that you need for every experiment, and it works with 5 volts and 1 ampere, and make sure that you have a charged battery, and when you connect the USB cable to USB power, you have the energy flow to USB power and the rest of the circuit.